guys, ready na ba kayo to dive into Bangkok's vibrant flavors and bustling shopping scene with me? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're kicking off with a delightful breakfast spread at Ginger in Holiday Inn Bangkok, and then we went to Platinum for a custom-made suit and some pasalubong shopping. Trust me guys, you won't want to miss this. So let's jump right in and make the most of our day in Bangkok. Morning guys! Rise and shine! Pakita ko guys sa inyo yung labas. So this is Holiday Inn Bangkok. May video tayo guys na eto, dito tayo dumaan kahapon tapos dito yung lobby. So this is Intercon. This is sa Holiday Inn, yung old wing. Diyan kami sa wing na yan before nagstay. Tapos dito tayo dumaan papunta dito sa wing na to. So yan. Yung Louis Vuitton Cafe na lagi nakikita sa Instagram, YouTube. Ayun siya. Ayun siya sa baba. Tapos yan, di ba may dumaan na tren. So that's the station. Sobrang lapit lang nito guys. That's one of the reasons why I really like this hotel Yung location niya, maganda. Sige na, kain na tayo! That's the view. Chitlom Station. Again, si Gasorn Village. Bago yung Gasorn Village na yan. Hindi ko pa yan napupuntahan. Dito sa side kasi ng Intercon may Gasorn Village din. So, doon kami pumupunta. Hindi dyan sa tapat. Mercuryville. Marami ding good spots dyan. Sa Planchet Station na yung Mercuryville So, sunod-sunod yan. Planchet area, sa may Central Embassy, Chitlom, dito sa Holiday Inn, Intercon. And then, banda roon, yung Siam Station, sa Siam Paragon. Yun yung tatlong stations na magkakadikit. Hey, this is the gang. We're gonna have breakfast. I want to say good morning to the vlog. So, guys, this is the way to Ginger. Mamaya, pakita ko naman kung ano yung breakfast buffet area, guys. Alam nyo, in my previous vlog, napakita ko na rin sa inyo yan at medyo nag-call of nature tayo habang nag-hotel room tour. So, ayun, doon napunta tayo sa toilet na yan.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing the dress I like.
Wow! Boiled rice and chicken, and this is the plain congee. Miso. Oh yeah, this is the soy milk.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's the happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems
guys, we're back muna dito sa room after breakfast. Magre-relax lang, magfe-freshen up. Hindi pa kami nagfe-freshen up since waking up. Medyo long day talaga kami kahapon eh. We left the house really early, mga 7:30. Tapos the time na nakarating na kami dito, siguro local time was also 7 or past 7. Kasi naalala ko yung Grab dumating 7:15 eh. So, yan. And then, today, we plan to go out. I'm not sure if ito yung masusunod na itinerary, but based on the plan that I made, magpapasukat kami ng suit sa Platinum Mall. Kasi yon will take siguro 24 to 48 hours, may fitting and all. So, plano namin na maiuwi yung suit na papagawa namin dito. And after that, we're gonna try a new mall. It's, I think, the latest luxury mall here in Bangkok. It's called M Sphere. So, tingnan natin if we have time after Platinum to go there right away, no? Or baka bumalik muna ulit sa hotel to relax. Kasi pag ganito, chill travel. Kaya nga chill travel tayo eh. Sabihin, mas madalas ang chill kaysa sa lakad. So guys, bumaba sila sa baba at nag-swimming yung anak ko. So, punta tayo dito sa... Dito nga pala natutulog si Christian. So, bumaba sila and nagsaswimming. So, ngayon ay tikman natin yung... Meron tayo ditong egg sandwich. Yung na 8S. Tsaka itong iced tea. Diba? So, yan. This is the egg sandwich na kinuha natin sa 7-Eleven kagabi. Ito namang iced tea na to, yun nga yung nasabi ko na nakita ko kay Marvin sama ako nung nag-shopping siya sa Siam Paragon. Ito try ko kasi mahilig din ako sa ulong tea eh. So, syempre nakasampay yung mga towels dito guys. Upo lang tayo. Dito tayo sa ano pala. Dito tayo sa kabila. Yan, para may view tayo ng Louis Vuitton Cafe. Diba? Sikat na sikat yun eh. Ayan o. Try ko mamaya. Guys, delikado akong pumasok dyan. Feeling ko, kung cafe lang yan, okay lang. Magkakape ako dyan. Pero kung store yan, delikado. Delikado tayo dyan. Guys, kasi dati, nung nagpunta kami dito ng December, sabi ko, mahina kalaban. Talagang ang laki ng gastos namin. Actually, hanggang ngayon naman, malaki pa rin ang gastos namin. Pero sabi na namin ng asawa ko, parang, this time, mag-shopping tayo kung anong gusto natin. Mag-shopping tayo. Bumili tayo kung anong gusto natin. So, yan. O, yan, guys. Kain muna tayo. Habang nasa baba sila, alam mo, kaka-breakfast lang namin. Ano? Teka, ang pangit ng ilaw. Alam mo dito kasi, kasama yung breakfast sa package, ano? So, nung nagpunta kami dito nung December, gano'n, inaraw-araw namin yan. Kasi, unang-una, yung oras kasi, yung may mga schedule kami everyday, eh. So, the most efficient na talaga is yung mag-breakfast na lang kami sa hotel. Pero ngayon naman, at least hanggang Monday, wala kami masyadong hinahabol. Para nakakasawa na mag-breakfast palagi sa hotel sa baba. Pakita ko pala sa inyo, ito guys, yung Chitlom Station. So, ito yung Holiday Inn, ano? Yan, Holiday Inn. Ito na, yung Chitlom Station. Yan, yan na yan. Lapit. Super lapit. And it means a lot, no? Kesa kasi lagi kang naka-grab or naka-bus dahil napaka-traffic dito sa Bangkok. Kung makakakita ka ng hotel na mayroong BTS station or MRT station, tapos yung mga pupuntahan naman dito, lahat halos malapit yan. Mahanakon building, connected siya sa station. Yung mga Siam Paragon, Icon Siam, connected. So lahat ng pupuntahan mo, connected sa MRT or BTS. Kaya it means a lot kapag ang hotel mo malapit din sa BTS. Tipid ka sa traffic. Kain na tayo guys. Tikman natin tong ito, ulong honey lemon tea. Ang pagka-describe dito ni Marvin Samako ay lasang healthy na iced tea. Parang iced tea na lasang healthy na hindi healthy. Tama ba? Parang ganun pagkaalala ko ng description na. Tikman natin. One more. I get it. So, yung lemon, nalalasa mo yung lemon. Pero andun din yung artificial sweetness na. The sweetness that you would taste from a C2 lemon iced tea or a Lipton, no, na iced tea. But meron siyang, yung tsaa niya, lasang-lasa mo yung ulong. Patamis. Hindi naman ako mapapanood. Di mo rin sa ako, di ba? But yeah, I know why you'd say you like this. It's refreshing. Yun nga lang, natatamisan ako. Dadagdagan ko na lang siya ng konting water. Now, let's try the... Paano ba ito binubuksan? Mali pala yung pagbukas ko. The egg sandwich. Ito na naman ako sa egg sandwich, guys. Kasi, diba, 4 na slices siya. Pinagkakasya ko sa bibig ko tong 4 na slices. Pwede naman palang paghiwalayin, diba? But, ito hindi. Talagang ganyan siya kakapal, guys. Diba? Tara, kainin natin. Ayan, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano mapipil ko dito. Sakto lang. Pantay gutom, no? Pag talagang like you don't have time to go to a restaurant, something easy that you can grab from 7-Eleven. Wait, may nalalasahan ako dito. Describe ko sa inyo, ah. Okay. So, pag kumakain kayo sa mga Chinese restaurant, di ba meron silang house tea? Ganon yung lasa niya. Alam mo, meron nga pala akong nakitang ganito na 0 sugar. Baka pwedeng yun ang kunin ko. Kasi medyo ano ako sa sweetness nito. Hindi ako ano sa sweetness. So, I'll get that one, yung 0 sugar. There. Guys, kita nyo ba nakapajama ako? Kita nyo sa reflection? Nakapajama. So, ayan. So, meron dito kaming sink. So, nagdala ko nito from the Philippines. So, nilagyan ko ng mga names namin. Bawat isa, pati yung lalagyan yan. So, dito kami naghuhugas. Pumili lang kami sa 7-Eleven dyan ng mga paper plates at saka paper bowls. Kasi mahilig kami dito bumili ng mga may sabaw-sabaw. So, yan. Yan. This is nga pala the kitchen. So, separate room siya. Yan. Yan. Tapos yan, may toilet doon, diba? This is such a big room. And eto naman yung sa aming kwarto. And then, bathroom. Ang kalat lang, guys, ha. Tapos, eto na. The closet. So, andyan na yung mga damit na isusuot natin. Yun lang. Let's go back to the room. O siya, papahinga muna ako, guys. At mag-e-edit ng videos para may ma-upload ako this week. Yung guys nga pala, pag nagta-travel ako, nagdadala ako ng eco bag, something not expensive, para magaan. Hindi ko siya kailangan sobrang alagaan, no? Tapos, kumuha lang ako ng organizer. Sobrang mura lang din ito. Sa ko lang to, sa Shopee ko lang to nabili. So, yan. Ilalagay ko lang itong mga gamit ko. So, pag nag-ikot, konti lang yung bit-bit ko. This is my wallet. Nandyan din yung passport ko. So, I'll just leave it here sa vault. So, ang dala ko lang is a cap, credit cards, payong, shades. Ito, wala. Susuot ko naman to. And then, yung money. Ito yung Jisoo Life na handheld fan. Saka, power bank. So, yan. Wait lang. Ito pala. Dalhin ko rin to. Pero usually, bit-bit ko naman to. Tsaka yung phone. Yan. So, para magaan lang yung bit-bit natin paglabas. Makapagdala rin nga kaya nitong ito. So, para pag nag-shopping kami. So, now, we're on our way to the Platinum Mall. And, actually, guys, malapit lang naman siya here. But because aking anak ay kasama namin, magta-taxi na lang kami. I mean, Grab. So, nabubo kami ng Grab here. So, guys, naghihintay lang kami sa aming Grab and we're going to the Platinum Fashion Mall. going up. We're here at the Platinum Mall. Tignan natin floor by floor what you can see. Pero hindi ko maiikot lahat guys ha. So yan. Oo, gusto nila ng ganito. Ito, this one. Ganyan, nahanap nila. How much this one? 156. I'll just get this one. One. And then one. Which one is the best one?
Tiger and tiger na stronger.
One tiger. Okay. Ikaw, Christian, mag-uwi ka pa niyan pasalubong sa nanay mo. I like tiger.
Peppermint, ha?
Ah, yeah. Just this one. Ikaw, Christian, dali mo sa mama mo. How much is this?
This one piece 40 baht.
40 ang isa. Can he buy per piece?
Yeah, 40 baht.
Per piece na lang. Okay, just one. Ilan? Two.
Two na. So, pwede sa'yo.
Christian, gamitin mo yung ano mo sa'yo. Binigay sa'yo.
Body paint ba? Lavender ba?
Okay, wait. Kami, guys, gusto ko ng mga ganito for the neck.
You happy?
Yeah, neck pain.
Where you happy? Yeah, na?
Okay.
Okay. This one is a little bit stronger. Hot na. If you have pain anywhere, joint pain also can.
Okay. How much is this?
This is
170.
150.
150.
100. Honey, this one 150 for 3 na.
Okay.
50 each, okay?
Okay. So 1,350. Okay. So this is the name of the store. It's called In Flower. Dito siya sa Platinum. The name of the store is Sisan. So the name of the store is Sisan Shop. So yan, puntahan niyo siya. Second floor. And then dito. Thank you so much. Binigyan niya ako ng freebie. So pagka second floor nyo, go up here and then andun na siya. Sisan. Going up now. Mga pasalubong. Okay. At tanong natin, hi, where are the clothes? This is the name of the stores. Fruit Paradise and Seafood World. So dito kami bumibili ng mga ganyan. Dami to guys. Like dried dried shrimps, merong dried lilies, crablet. We already tried this. Meron pa akong paper bag ha. Meron pa ako dito. Guys, nandito pa lang kami sa isang side and nakapamili na kami ng pasalubong. So now we're gonna go to the other side for the clothes. So dito na kami guys sa Platinum. Ito yung pag kinulang kayo ng luggage. You can buy here. So we're going to the 4th floor guys. So ito yung mga bags. And the big sizes here. So yan, dito tayo. We're going up. So eto siya guys eh. 4th floor, okay? We're to the 4th floor. Go! Dahil makikita dito guys, so talagang kailangan mong i-plan, no? What you wanna buy. Ay, doon pala sa kabila.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, that's the one.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes.
Punta tayo sa food court, guys. Ayun o, food court.
I'll make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
I'll get this and I'll get this. So guys, ito, kunin ko this one. Tsaka ito. Ribbon. Okay, wait, let's pay. I'm going to get this. It's cute. Ay, wait lang. I'll also get another one for my sister. I'll probably get this one. This one is nice. So these 3. I'm gonna get these 3. Wait, this is 50 baht. I'll get 2 for sa kasamahan namin sa bahay. Kay LV, siguro ito. I'll get this one. LV. And then kay Arlene, bagit bata-bata yon. So ito, each. This one. Okay. Headband secured. Okay. Yay! Secured the goods. Ay, B. Ito up. Look, may fish. You have fried chicken?
Yeah.
Fried chicken? You have?
Fried rice?
No, fried
Chicken fried. Okay.
Yeah.
4.
Chicken
Can
wing
you
yan.
sit here?
Okay.
Need a chicken wing.
It's okay. Chicken wing.
Fried chicken.
Oh, ito. This one, fried chicken also, right?
Yeah.
Also fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Okay, good. You sit here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! Okay, thank you. Wow, there's a teddy bear. Doon na yung pasok. So guys, for some unknown reason, takot pumasok yung anak ko dun sa restaurant na may mga teddy bear. So binigyan na nga kami ng table, ang ganda na nga ng table na binigay sa amin. Pero ayaw na pumasok. Andun pa naman yung mga gusto niya na fried chicken, tonkatsu, andun, everything, but ayaw na. So ang bagsak namin guys ay dito sa KFC. There, market, yeah, yes. So guys, we're gonna buy first this one. Okay, wait lang. We get this one.
Wait.
We get this. It's 180. Okay, you get that one. Then same store. Is this green mango? This one?
Yeah, same.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This one guys is this one. That's the big one. This one, that one. Coconut. Wait lang, Wancho. Alin na mas magandang color? Ito or ito? Chiffon brown. Ito? Or ito? Ito? Nagamit ko na to. Sige na nga. Marshmallow brown to. Nabili natin sa Platinum Mall minus the suit. Pinagawa pa natin. Made to order. So, isa-isahin natin, guys. So, we got fruits. We got pomelo, watermelon, and mango. We also got dried mango. Guys, iba yung lasa ng dried mango nila. Mas gusto ko. Tapos, ito yung mga Thailand, Bangkok products na pain reliever. At saka yung mga inhalers. Yan. Ito, pain reliever din yan. Actually, minasage ako dyan ni ate. So, makikita na yan sa vlog. I also got this pang hair color. Kasi hindi ako nakapunta sa parlor papunta dito. Nakikita ko na yung white hair ko. And then, some headbands. Pasalubong ko sa mga girls. And then, ito. Mga pasalubong na dried seafood. So, lahat yan makikita nyo sa vlog kung saan natin binili sa Platinum. Yun guys, we're back in the hotel after Platinum. So, magpapahinga muna tayo. And then, mamaya ay gagala ulit tayo. Chill travel. Chill na chill. So yun guys, nag-change muna ako sa pambahay na clothes kasi gusto kong matulog. And tatapusin ko na yung vlog here and I'll see you guys later. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!